Most partnerships don't explode. They rot quietly, not because people are bad, not because people are evil, not even because of conflict. Many partnerships fail even when the people are polite, even when they say, "We will figure it out together." That's what makes partnership fail so confusing and so expensive. If you are building an SME, implementing AI, or running a company, this matters more than you think. This video is not about personality, it's about structure. And by the end, you will know what must define early before pressures arrive. Most of the partnership begins with chemistry. You get along, you share values, you feel aligned. You think, this will work. But chemistry is a feeling. Structure is a system. Chemistry doesn't define responsibilities. It doesn't align with decisions rights. It doesn't resolve disagreements. And it does not survive stress. When the first real pressures arrive, cash flow problem, delayed deliveries, AI projects going off track, chemistry fades. Structure is what remains. If there is no structure, there's nothing to fall back on. Most partnerships don't end in dramatic arguments. They erode quietly. Unspoken expectation, undefined ownership, different tolerance for risk and pace. One partner carries more weight than others. The other slowly feels criticized. No one planned for this, but it was predictable because nothing was defined clearly when it was still very easy. This is exactly how business partnerships, AI implementations, and even co-founder fail quietly. The failure wasn't emotional. It was structural. Equal partnerships sounds fair. In reality, it often creates ambiguities. Who makes the final call? Who owns the failure? Who decides when to stop? If both are 50-50 shareholders, but only one person handle pricing, hiring, strategies, or cash flow, that's not equality. That's undefined accountability. When everything is shared, no one truly owns anything. And accountability, not fairness, is what keeps partnership functional. This part is uncomfortable. Many partnership fails because of capability mismatch. Definitely not effort. One partner thinks strategically, the other operates tactically. One design system, the others react to tasks. Both can be hardworking, both can be sincere, but they are operating at different levels. This mismatch doesn't show at week 1. It shows up perhaps maybe in month 6 or maybe month 8 or maybe after a year, when decisions starts compounding. Over time, frustrations replace trust, not because of someone is lazy, because capacity is never aligned. People have different tolerance level for kiosks, for mistakes, for inefficiency. If this isn't aligned early, resentments builds slowly. One person feels, I'm holding everything together. The other feels, I'm never good enough. And tolerance level differ, every small issue will become a character judgment. The problem was never character. It was misalignment. Many partnerships try to fix structural problems through communications. More meetings, more explanations, more compromise. But communications never replace structure. You can communicate perfectly and still fail if ownership is unclear. If decision rights are undefined, talking more only creates tension. You cannot negotiate away misalignment. Healthy partnership requires clarity, clearer ownership, define decision rights, align capacity level, agree exit conditions, not just trust alone, not friendship. Structure protects relationship. It doesn't destroy them. If you cannot define this, you cannot have a relationship. You don't have a partnership. You just have an optimism without structure. Partnership don't fail because people don't care. They fail because no one designed the relationship. If you're building a business, implementing the AI, or build a team, don't ask if you can get along. Ask if the structure can survive over the stress. If you want a system can survive pressure, I design structure before tools.